I don't see it now. Where'd it go?
It's gone. Oh my God. Guys, this is nuts. This is absolute nuts.
Patrick,
What?
you have to move that way because the smoke. If we go that way, we'll be out of the smoke.
The Hughes fire is now estimated to be over 9,400 acres with 0% containment, with no structures reported damaged or destroyed. We have over 4,000 firefighting personnel assigned to the incident, and we had a very robust ground and air response to the incident that you see behind me. The situation remains dynamic, and the fire remains a difficult fire to contain, although we are getting the upper hand.
Is that we have approximately 31,000 people who are affected by our evacuation orders, another 23,000 that are impacted by evacuation warnings.